It's pretty much the home screen of the application. Very simple AI application here. So at the top here, this is pretty much where you go to enter your prompt or anything that you have in mind that you want to generate. So down here you have the style as well, which you can choose from. They're completely free, so you can choose any one of these. Down here you have the aspect ratio, or you want the image to stay, and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and just enter something simple. I'm going to enter cat, and I'm going to select one of these styles. So once you have done that, you just tap on create, and it will start creating an image for you as it relates to your prompt or what you want to create. So while that's creating, I'll go over here and see what other people have created as well. And this is just some artists showing here. Just tap on this option at the top here and then the X. And it should be good to go to remove the ads. Well, this section here will pretty much show you all the things that other people have created on the application. As you can see, it's not very much, it's just a few. As you can see here, the image is generated and looks, as you can see here, this is the image generated, and I can go ahead and download the image and can share it, can delete it, and I can also copy the prompt that they have used to create this image here. So not very long prompt, it's a short prompt for the application. So just a basic application that generates its own AI style art. So keep that in mind, own AI style art. And at the top you can tap on the code icon here to pretty much get your subscription. They do offer a 3 days free trial, so you can test out their feature and so forth and see if you do really want it. But their subscription is pretty much $15 weekly, and that's really pretty much it. So you may see some ads while navigating through the application, as you can see here, so do keep that in mind. In the settings option, nothing much, just the remove ads feature, which you can get with the pro subscription and so forth. So yeah, that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next one.